For more than 120 years, this giant machine lay forgotten beneath the sea.
Saltwater and time turned iron into fragile history. Once built to shape the land, it was claimed by the ocean. Every surface bears the scars of decades underwater. Its sheer size still feels powerful, even in ruin. The discovery stunned recovery experts. Proof of its age, locked beneath rust. Before recovery, every risk had to be calculated. One wrong move could destroy what remained.
After a century, the ascent finally began.
The ocean released its grip.
Sunlight touched it for the first time in generations. The real work was only beginning. Saltwater corrosion had eaten deep. Every part was documented before disassembly. Nothing moved without force and patience. Restoration started from the ground up.
The heart of the machine was completely silent.
Decades of damage revealed themselves slowly.
Years underwater were stripped away.
Function had to be restored, not just appearance. Broken strength was rebuilt with precision. Transformation came one component at a time.
The machine began to take shape again.
Protection replaced decay.
Life was slowly returning. For the first time in decades, it moved. Systems responded as designed. What once looked beyond saving now stood whole. Its presence felt heavy, powerful, and alive. The scars remain, but the strength is back. The engine's sound marked a historic moment.
Human and machine reconnect.
Ocean replaced silence. The giant had returned. From ocean floor to working machine. History preserved, not erased. A 120-year journey ends with revival.